Hello, how are you? This is our spiders pack. So it's a new lookbook. You can go on the website and this is $1 today to personalize the cover page. So the pack comes with quite a few cutouts. You've got the 5 different size spiders, so that's for ordering later. We've got the cutout black shapes. So that's for matching the shapes on this page and then making a pumpkin face back here. Then we've got 2 sets of these spiders. So they were a bit of a pain in the ass to cut out. So if you don't want to play a memory game, just cut out 1 set. Yes? So these spiders, they're all the same on the front, but they've got shapes on the back. So if you have little ones, so I've already ordered all my shapes. So I'm going to go 2 stars, 2 hexagons. I'll leave the circles and ovals out. I'll go 2 pentagons, rectangles and squares. So I've gone for different colors there. So I'll move them aside. Now I'll move them aside as well actually. These ones, we're going to mix them all up and then set out in an array. Am I still on screen? We'll go 2s, 3s, move over a little bit. There we go, and put them all up the right way. So for this one, all right, I chose odd numbers, but let's just grab 2 more. There we go. So we've got 12 there. So I'm going to have my go first. I'm going to flip this one and I'm going to flip this one. We've got a, what's that? Hexagon and pentagon, yellow and green, don't match. Going to flip them back over. Then the next person would have a go and they're going to flip this one and this one. Didn't I just do that? Okay, so they're not matching. So I'm going to flip them back. Now, was it that one or that one? Go those 2. No, it was these 2. So say I got those 2. This would be my pair and I take that set over here and we can just rearrange. Does that make sense? So it's a memory game. All right, I'm not going to do any more because I'm sure you've got that. Now I'm just going to flip these back over and make sure I've got a full set. Star, square. So this set I don't need anymore. This set I will be needing. And coming back to the book. So on the book, I haven't bothered with Velcro for this one because I didn't want Velcro sticking over my pretty colours, basically. So I was just matching up the spiders to the colours for this one. So you can do it face up or face down. So my first spider has a purple triangle, so I'm going to match it to the colour purple. My next one has a pinkish oval. It's not very clear on camera, but the colours match there. Then I've got a blue rectangle, so put it on my blue. I've got a dark blue square. There we go. So on and so forth. Yes? So you've got the same amount of spiders that will match all the colours here. You can put them right side up or spider side up, entirely up to you. And then we sweep them all off and go to the next page. So this one was colours. This one we're focusing on the shapes. Each time I was saying the colour and the shape, just building vocab. So we've got a yellow hexagon there, a green diamond. Again, put it face up, face down, doesn't matter. A purple triangle, a red circle. There you go, matching it up. Sweeping it off again, ready to go to the next one. So this one, you do have in your cutouts a whole nother stack of smaller spiders. I forgot that we'd already had these ones. So if you want another set of different size spiders, they don't have anything on the back, go ahead and use it on this one. Otherwise, between the 2 sets that you cut out, you've got, actually how many do you get? I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, they're upside down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 12 in one set. And if you wanted to go all the way to 24, you've got your other set as well, if you chose to cut them out. So we've got a good decent amount of numbers to count through this one. You can also count backwards. So I know I've got 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You've also, in doing that, you're counting each object, but as you move it, you're counting it as well. So you're assigning a number to the object. Does that make sense? As you move it on and off the page. Doesn't seem like much, but it is a concept that our little ones do need to get. I cannot think of the word for that right now. Order from biggest to smallest. So we're not using these spiders anymore. We're using these 5. So I can do biggest to smallest across the page, up, down, wherever you want. But they fit best across the page. Then I've got my biggest one here, my medium-sized one here, and my smallest one is going to go over there. I can then also order, it doesn't even need to be on the page, entirely up to you. If I wanted to order from smallest to biggest, then do it this way. If you want to order anything else on the page, you know, to use this as an example or a beginner activity, to then go and choose maybe 5 toys around the house and then order them in order, biggest to smallest, smallest to biggest. Again, you're building vocabulary, that sequencing, and the concept of size and measurement there. All right, match the shadows. So we're using these ones again. So I've got my biggest one there, my second biggest one, my medium-sized one, my second smallest one, and my smallest little spider. Oh, they're cute. They're cute little spiders. All right, and the next one is my pumpkin face. So if you want to use a proper mouth, because the shapes didn't quite make a mouth shape, then you can. And then you can play with the different, so I've got a square and a heart, so the different shapes to make your pumpkin face. There you go. So I've got a square, a heart, a triangle, and my little smiley face. I could put it, oh, yeah, that works. A bit freaky, but it works. So I've got a diamond for a mouth, or, oh, he's yelling. There you go, just play with it. Oh dear, he's had a bad day. All right, there you go. So that, I'm pretty sure, is the end. And that is our spiders pack. I hope you like it. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.